Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. If you're new to the channel, which I'm sure many of you are because I have no subscribers, this is my 2002 Mustang GT Convertible, also known as the New Edge. It's a 5-speed manual, has around 100,000 miles on it. I paid $2,500 for it. Needs a ton of work, so join me in my journey. That's Craig, he's a good boy. Anyways, welcome to the YouTube video, and I appreciate you watching. Alright, welcome back. Now that we have it running with no misfires, we're going to make it sound good. So let's get this exhaust thrown on. Alright, so I cut that hanger. I cut this other hanger. I can't figure out where it is from this side. But essentially I cut this hanger up there and this hanger off here so that I could drop it down. Now I'm going to cut the top of this. The issue is, can't get it out over the axle. Took a while, so my lunch break is over. I'll have to come back after and do it the other side after work. So I'm sure it's already referenced in the title, but I got the C&L exhaust. I bought this when I bought the car a little over a year ago. Yup. It's exhaust pipe. It's cramped under here, but essentially this H pipe here is shorter on the passenger side. So the longer pipe goes there so that they come out even using the same nuts. So I'm just going to tighten this down a little bit by hand. These instructions are pretty decent, and they even have colored pictures. I just find it weird that it's like printed off of a computer. Must be a small company. I don't know. But first step was getting those on, which I just showed you. Next step, we need the exhaust clamp at the end of each pipe and throwing that muffler on. Cool. Alright, so this next piece I got slid up in there, it essentially just slides up into that piece. All of these sides with the nuts where I have to tighten it down have been facing the outside of the vehicle. I think this guy's going to be easier doing the inside of the vehicle. So I'm going to get that snug down. Essentially that's the last piece for this side other than the tips. This section here, it comes down and it goes towards the outside of the vehicle, which is how you tell which side is which. So get this tightened down and get the other one pushed up into place. Ooh, fancy. Hide this up in. There we go. And then get this. There we go. Now you can see needs some adjustment, so I can go through and scoot it all around and make it fit upright. So essentially for this side, for one, paint flaked right off. Well, for two, just going to get it there and tighten it down and run all the way down through to make sure it's nice and tight. Alright, it's all installed, tightened down. Get some sound clips and send you guys on your way. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff. And thanks for watching if you made it this far.